Hey YouTube, this is your girl Curious Kathy, and we are in Louisiana, Laguna, and we did a quick stopover to try this delicious Filipino dessert, and I'm so glad we did. Let's go check it out. Okay, we are back to Laguna via Rosario. I was thinking Rosario, but dito po, papunta kami ng Hulugan Falls or Aliw Falls. Maraming tindahan ng bibingka. Buko bibingka. Buko bibingka with free buko juice. Oh. Special bibingka daw. O sige. Hanggang doon yung mga tindahan eh. Binlock nito eh. Hanggang doon yung mga tindahan dito. Ang dami, isang row sila. So, tikman natin yung kanilang famous buko bibingka. Dito pala, nasa loob o nasa ibabaw? Okay. Kaya na, kunin ko yung pera ko.
Organic na organic, Irene.
Ito ho yung ating yan yung buko bibingka na tinitinda nila dito. Yung tsura. Masarap ba naman?
Ano inumin nyo?
Buko bibingka.
Wala na akong buko.
What?
Patay kang bata.
Tubig na lang.
Wala na ako kayo
Oh, mukhang masarap. Kakain ako ng isang. Tikbang mo nga! Ikaw muna! Binablog kita eh. Ay! Wow! Sarap? Sarap?
May kakaiba, ba't may buko sa loob?
That's why it's called buko bibingka.
Oh!
Oh, yeah, right.
Kakaiba, promise. May libre pa.
So ito, andito tayo kay Regine, buko
Ay,
bibingka.
bayad daw.
Masarap, masarap. Masarap ang kanilang Ganda. Okay, just want to say quick something about the buko bibingka. Actually, kind of reminds me of what do you call it in English? Buko pie, but yummier buko pie because you have bibingka inside plus cheese, and it's served really hot and it's delicious. It's not that sweet. It's not that like crunchy, but soft and warm. It's delicious. And if you guys are in Philippines and you haven't tried this yet, I highly recommend you do because you're gonna miss something. This dessert is something else. It is so good. You guys need to try it. It's like a combination of a bibingka and buko pie, and napakasarap po. Oh my God, napakasarap. Maraming salamat po for watching this video. By the way, it's brought to you by the Waltz Villa Tagaytay. And this is Curious Kathy. Stay safe, God bless, and we will see you in the next video.